What's up, guys? Jasper Chase here, back with another motovlog. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to Dix Creek. So there was this guy, Horace Kephart, who traveled over to Dix Creek in 1904. He was kind of an outdoorsman guy. He really didn't like the creature comforts of a hotel or boarding houses or anything like that. All right, now we're getting into the gravel. Oh boy. So anyway, so he obtained permission from a local family and went ahead and made camp here at Dix Creek in Dillsboro, North Carolina. All right, we're gonna check this out. This is pretty cool. We're gonna check out this waterfall. It rained a lot the last 2 days, so the waterfall is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, Horace Kephart, he got the permission from a local family to stay. He stayed from August 7th to October 28th, and he named his camp Camp Toko after this book by James Mooney called The Myths of the Cherokee. It's pretty cool. Let's get back on the bike. That's a good shot of the waterfall. I'm so glad this gravel road is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I guess because all the rain, it packed it down. There are so many waterfalls. So here's another one. So many waterfalls on this creek. You got people that live here. And there's a house right there. Can you imagine living on the creek like that? Wow. That's insane. I wonder how much that house cost. There's another waterfall. Yeah, Horace had it right, man. This is a nice place to camp. And I mean, if you got to think about it, none of this has been touched. This is exactly like it was back in 1904. Nothing has changed. I mean, imagine being able to go back in time like this and see all this incredible stuff that they saw back in the early 1900s. It's amazing. I've also been told, oh, here's some gravel. I've also been told that there's really good fishing in this creek. A lot of trout. Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I don't want to fall. I don't want to fall. I'm trying to get over to the left side. Holy crap. There we go. Gravel and motorcycles do not go well together. Not at all. But anyways, yeah, I just think it's cool that that I get to see what it looked like back in 1904 when Horace came here to camp. Imagine the local families, what houses they had back then. I wish I could see like some kind of old barn or something. Looks like somebody lives there. Actually, that's a good spot for a photo. Let's do that. All right, back to asphalt. Looking at the pool, seeing if I can see any fish. It's crystal clear water. Absolutely gorgeous. And the weather's nice today. It's what, 53 degrees out. Not a cloud in the sky. Got a beautiful creek next to me. Life is good, my friends. Life is pretty darn good. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is Dick's Creek. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys keep doing what you're doing. I'm out.